Hello guys, today we are going to do the unboxing of American Tourister, a 20 liter. This is a very small bag and this is the most cheap one available on Amazon. It's only 20 liters. So it's a really small bag. You can see. Let's go into it. It's very lightweight and you can't keep your laptop in this. It's just for casual work, like your small notebooks and all those stuffs. And here's the bag. You can see this is from the back. And let's go to the chains. These are chains of American Tourister bag. Okay, so let's go inside. Okay, so let's go inside it. Okay, so this is how it looks from inside. These are the silica gels, and this is another chain, and this much only. And this is a very lightweight bag. Now I can wear this to show how does it looks. And so let's wear it. You can see the size of it, and this is very small. Okay, and what else, like you can get this for around 550 rupees on Amazon, and like the deal is there, and it also covers 1 year of warranty in it. And that's all for this video. Thank you.